Hi everyone. So this is just a quick work in progress demo of where I'm at right now with Sarah and the City of the Dead. And basically it was a lot of menu work, and I created and set up a cutscene manager that basically allowed me to animate cameras and fade cameras in and out for cutscenes, and you'll see that. So this is our main menu so far, and everything's functional in it. It's kind of a dynamic environment. There's little things like particle effects for water coming out of the pipes. There's also, if you left this sitting for some reason for a while, you'd notice these little critters start coming out and like scurrying about and running away from each other. And like there's a deer right there. He's going to come around and he'll nibble on some of this grass and then poke his head up really quick to be really alert. So the NGUI menus and everything are functioning so far. There are options in here for quality and all of that. A lot of this stuff is default, so it hasn't been arted yet. So you're just seeing like default NGUI assets and stuff like that. And some of the stuff's not hooked up yet. So we'll start the story and go in, and we also have a placeholder level selection for locked levels and stuff like that. The only one right now that's working is this level 1. And then this is the cutscene manager working here. Some of the code that's tweening the cameras and everything in it has bugs right now, so some of the tweens are smooth. Some of them, especially in the y-axis, are very jittery, and that just has to do with, I believe it's some kind of conflict between like update functions and fixed update functions, and it's causing some jitter with these objects. And so you'll see some of it jerking there. There's no art for this yet, so there's no like city or anything here, and the clouds aren't propagated. And then, you were flying at night, and now it's daytime all of a sudden, miraculously. I found that like trying to build up a little bit of a level to start in with some art assets, that it was really difficult to do at night in the pitch black. So like I opted to do this in daylight now, and then I'm using the physically based rendering workflow with the metallic and smoothness maps and all of that. So it won't make any difference if I, kill all this lighting and make it nighttime. The materials and the textures and everything will all look the same. I just kind of wanted to art up a little teeny tiny section, and I'm not done with it yet. It's supposed to be like an entire city block. So you just get a feel of like what this city looks like and how overgrown it is. And of course I haven't come very far with that yet. So a lot of it was work on shader tech, like I can duplicate these vehicles and stuff and color the different vehicles different colors with a mask. So that was pretty cool. What else? So yeah, it's just very much a work in progress here in a very small little area. I'm using the realistic first person prefab, which is really cool system on the asset store for first person view games. I think some of this here, like this building, yeah, I didn't even finish the art on it, so it's got some untextured sections. And then there's like an entire empty city out here with no buildings or anything yet. So there is a top-down 2D map that I have. You'll notice too that this is just a generic built-in skybox, absolutely not anything I would use in the game, but you'll notice that the fog on the horizon is still set to, that's the color I set for the nighttime skybox. It looks really cool at night, especially if you have like fires going and stuff. The terrain's not finished. It's not finished being painted. And so all very much a work in progress, but I'm pretty excited about it. It's going to be pretty cool. There's a lot of stuff I'm not even showing that's pretty robust and done. Like all the horde zombie spawning, creature spawning stuff is ready and working, and I can be in here blasting like 100 different zombies and stuff. So that's where I'm at, and hopefully in the next update I'll have quite a bit more to show on this project. Thank you for watching.